All right. All right, Mr. Robbins. Oh, we're here ready to go. Look at you all sported out to come look at cars today.
Dr. Anderson, I cannot believe this, when Lewis Toyota was going to provide a car for us to take to convocation, I just assumed that it would be, Corolla or Camry or something.
Just for us to...
This is a Highlander.
Oh my God. It's just to drive to convocation. We can't take the car. Lewis Toyota is one of the best companies around. They're just giving us something to drive in style to match this Chiefs attire. Let's take a look on the inside. Mr. Robbins, we might want to have the Lewis Toyota staff show us what's inside this vehicle and tell us about it.
Okay, it looks pretty nice.
It looks really nice.
Great.
Who driving?
Some help some information on this car.
Oh my goodness.
Brad Lewis, nice seeing you again.
Oh,
Doc,
Mr. Lewis,
nice
it's
seeing
good
you.
to see you. Oh my, we're in love with this car.
There's a lot to love about
Oh
it. It's
my
a beautiful car.
Mr. Robbins came dressed in his Chiefs attire because we're a team in Topeka
It's about
Public
football
Schools.
season.
Yes,
That's
sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
All right, so
Spring training,
It's happening.
you're going to help us drive in style to the
Absolutely.
convocation. Thank you for doing
We
that.
gotta make you guys look good.
But
right?
yes, we would like to learn more about this car. This is awesome. Can you tell us a little bit about what we're looking at here?
Absolutely. It's a 2023 Toyota Highlander. It's an XLE.
Wow.
It has leather seats. It has a sunroof.
What?
Heated seats.
Wow.
Backup camera.
Oh
It's
my
all-wheel drive.
goodness.
It's brand new.
You're really taking care of us,
I got to.
Oh,
You
my
guys take care
goodness.
of me. I take care of y'all.
Oh my
usually
goodness.
Dr. Anderson likes to drive.
Absolutely.
We might have to wrestle on who's going to drive this car.
Okay, well,
Down to the convocation.
for the purpose of being inside of Lewis Toyota, you want to just step on in the car, see what that bass sounds like, Mr. Robbins. You got, oh my goodness.
Fired up.
All right. Here we go. Oh, Mr.
Look at this interior,
Robbins.
Dr. Anderson.
Oh
Look at
my
this interior.
goodness. Let's get this camera in here to take a look inside of this
Ooh, I
vehicle.
love the smell of a new car.
Ooh, I'm going to come on the other
on the other
side.
side.
Oh my goodness. Oh, we got a chance to meet Mr. Lewis himself, showing us what driving in style looks like. Wow.
Put your foot on the brake and start it up. Go ahead. I don't care.
Oh, wait a minute. Look how smooth that is.
That's
Look how
right.
smooth.
I can hardly hear it.
Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going to turn up this bass. See what this sounds like, Mr. Robbins. Oh, Mr. Robbins. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're going to be in style. Okay, Mr. Robbins, here's what I'm thinking. We're going to drive up, park the car up front. Mr. Lewis himself and his team are going to make sure we look good. But what if we could maybe... Well, you know what? I'm going to save that idea. I'm thinking about our staff. What if we can use this car in some way to support one lucky staff member? What do you think?
Oh, I really like that idea. Okay. Remember, I'm staff, Dr. Anderson.
Not administration.
Oh, okay.
Oh my
All right,
goodness.
okay.
We have some amazing teachers, some amazing folks that work in the
That we do.
cafeteria.
That
Oh,
we do.
incredible people in the custodial department. What if? Well, let's play with this idea. Jump on out the car, and then convocation is in one day. So, all right. Working as a team for continuous improvement. All right. Woo, there we go.